Introduction to CyberScout Mobile App Best Practices. The CyberScout mobile app is a powerful tool designed to help individuals and families protect themselves from identity theft and fraud. To get the most out of this app, it is essential to follow best practices that ensure the security and effectiveness of the app. Step 1. Setting up the app. When setting up the CyberScout mobile app, start by downloading and installing it from the App Store. Once installed, create an account and provide the required information, such as name, email address, and password. Make sure to use a strong and unique password to protect your account. Step 2. Understanding app features. Familiarize yourself with the app's features, including identity monitoring, credit reporting, and fraud alerts. The app also provides educational resources and tips on how to protect yourself from identity theft and fraud. Step 3. Configuring alerts and notifications. Configure the app to send alerts and notifications when suspicious activity is detected. This can include notifications when a new credit inquiry is made, or when a change is detected in your credit report. Make sure to customize the alert settings to suit your needs and preferences. Step 4. Monitoring credit reports. Regularly monitor your credit reports to detect any suspicious activity or errors. The CyberScout mobile app provides access to your credit reports from the 3 major credit bureaus. Review your reports carefully and dispute any errors or inaccuracies. Step 5. Staying educated and informed. Stay educated and informed about identity theft and fraud by taking advantage of the app's educational resources. The app provides tips, articles, and videos on how to protect yourself from identity theft and fraud. Best practices for using the CyberScout mobile app. To get the most out of the CyberScout mobile app, follow these best practices. Always use a strong and unique password to protect your account, and keep your device and app up to date with the latest security patches and updates. Regularly monitor your credit reports and configure alerts and notifications to detect suspicious activity. Stay educated and informed about identity theft and fraud, and take advantage of the app's educational resources. Conclusion. By following these best practices, you can get the most out of the CyberScout mobile app and protect yourself from identity theft and fraud. Remember to always use a strong and unique password, keep your device and app up to date, and regularly monitor your credit reports. Stay educated and informed, and take advantage of the app's educational resources to stay one step ahead of identity thieves and fraudsters.